to my YouTube channel. What's going on? What's popping? It's really hot here. Oh my god, it is so hot. But this is my second video. Let's go. We're going to talk about my Poshmark because I do have a Poshmark now, and Poshmark it is in Canada. And you saw me, if you didn't saw the video I did about my decluttering, this video is right here or something, the information on down below the description box. I did a declutter with me, and I showed the clothes that I'm going to sell on Poshmark and the clothes that I'm going to donate. So I already showed the clothes, but I'm going to show the highlight of my clothes, if that makes sense. The things that I really see value in it, like I really want to sell basically. and the new things that I'm going to sell on my Poshmark. And I'm going to sell some shoes also, and yeah, those are the new things that I'm going to integrate into my Poshmark. And this video is like 1 week in advance, so it will be maybe next week. You're going to see this video, I think it's going to be there already. So this is a Zara blazer. I don't know how you call it, but jeans. And it's a ripped. It is this size small, and it's like this. And I don't really wear like ripped jeans a lot, maybe, but it is oversized. That's why I'm giving it, I'm selling, and I think it still looks good. I bought it last year, and it was the time where I bought anything just to buy anything, and the bill was like 200 plus. But now I'm really wise with my shopping. I have this black blazer from Banana Republic, and this one I thrift store about 2 years ago, and it is too small for me. I mean, this is great quality, but I want a new one, so I'm going to sell this one. This is a oh my god, this is so cool, it's so hot. Whew. So this is like a coat from I forgot the store, Urban Behavior. That store closed a month ago, but it's still open now. I think the back up, like the in, I think the back now. But I saw the store that I want you, So this is the coat. This is like, I bought it 1 year ago. I'm sweating. Sorry guys, but it's so hot. I try to hurry up because I don't want to die here. I don't have the ring light, I have natural light. This is enough. Okay, and this one is so nice, and I bought it in the male section. Actually it's like faux fur, I think. Here it's great for the fall and the winter. I think you can go with you can easily go a size down. It's if you saw a coat like this, you can easily go like a size down. Me, I liked way before. I like the oversized look, like Rihanna, in the early 2000s. But now I just like well-fitted clothes. So I'm going to pass on that. So this one is the large one, and I usually wore this around the fall season. It's really great for a hoodie and something like that. now. I don't wear really hoodie, so it will be beneficial for the person that's going to buy it. I don't have the price now. I'm going to reconsider the price, and you're going to see on my Poshmark, along with all the clothes that on my Poshmark. I'm going to show some images of the clothes, of my clothes Poshmark here. You can see how it looks while I'm doing that. And one of the things that I have on my Poshmark that I really like, I recently added that, it wasn't on my declutter video, is this Adidas pants here. So if you live in Canada, please go take a look on my Poshmark store. You can really find some good things. I already sold 2 items. I'm proud of myself. So here it is. You see how bright it is? And this is the interior, inside. And I have some picture of this, and this is like regular size hoodie, so it is in the size small, petite, and I feel like you don't need to wear this in this hot weather, but it will be good like in the transition to fall, winter, or even if you run outside. It will definitely keeps you warm. And it's it's from the brand Adidas, so it's definitely not cheap material, so it lasts longer. And I didn't wear it a lot. Well, I wore it sometimes, but it's really hot in those pants, so take a look for this. But those are the new items, and I'm going to add on. Like every time I have a new items, maybe I will try to make a video about it, so you guys can be informed about the items that I'm going to list. And just follow me on my Poshmark, so you will be informed also. So those are the new items, and the one that I didn't show on my declutter video, which is really good material. And I'm going to sell also, I believe, some bags, but I'm not quite sure. I'm not really sure. Not really. But I have so much things to sell, but I try to sell like a whole bag. I try to sell little bit by bit, like little by little, not too much, but for sure those are going to make place for like new clothes that are really classic clothes, and timeless clothes. Yeah, make the clothes that I actually love. Not like I don't love those clothes, but it can, someone can really buy it and love the items. If I don't love it anymore, someone can benefit from the item, and those are really great quality. I think this is like good quality, and it could be beneficial for somebody on this Canada. I don't think you can sell on the United States. I know a lot, like if not all my subscribers are from United States, which I love. And my first subscriber was like from United States. I think it's just me that I'm not I live in Canada, but if I have a small people that I don't know from Canada, or that I do know but I don't know that they follow me, I mean, you can go into my my shop and shop around if you live in Canada, okay? And I know a lot of people are going to see it. So this is my Poshmark closet, and I will try to do how I ship my items and all that, but not now because I'm still new. My Poshmark has been up for like two months now, or 1 month and a half, so I don't want to rush things, but I really wanted to show you what I got here to add on my what I got here to add on my Poshmark. So if you like this video, please make sure to like this video, it really helps. Subscribe to my YouTube down below in the screen. Subscribe, share, and yeah, have a blessed day guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Say, baby, I love you.